Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to go over and we're going to turn the Bluetooth off and on in these settings. So here in these settings, we go to Bluetooth. Now we turn it off and turn it on. As you guys can see, that's what we need to do. And what are we going to do next is we're going to unpair and repair our device. So I'm quickly going to pair my AirPods that I know for a fact they're working. Here we have them. We're going to click on the gear icon and click on forget. We're going to click on forget device. And once it's forgotten, all I have to do is just close the case, open it back up, and they should be available. So these ones shouldn't be available now. And if I click them, the pairing will fail. I'm not really sure. Okay, they still caught on. That's good. And as you guys can see, now we had to repair the device. What are we going to do next is we're going to restart the phone and a Bluetooth device. So to restart the device, I just close the case and wait for the light to go out. And for the phone, we press the power button. Now we tap on restart twice and the phone is now restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, we're simply gonna enter the password back, and as a last resort, we're gonna open up settings. In the settings, we scroll all the way down to system, and here, what are we gonna do is first we check for software update. So we wanna know, if we are on the latest version. We click on online update, and as you guys can see, it's checking for updates. My software is up to date, but if yours isn't, I recommend you updating. And now, what are we gonna do is we're gonna simply click on reset phone. Click on reset Wi-Fi settings. It will also reset Bluetooth. That's why we're doing it. We need to enter the password and now it should be done. So that's how you guys can easily fix Bluetooth not connecting. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.